Hey, good morning. It's Dr. Garrett, and today we're going to talk about heat shock proteins. So heat shock proteins are a group of proteins that help the body whenever the body is under stress. So if you are running a fever, your body will release these heat shock proteins, and they do a variety of different things. One, they're going to work as a chaperone. So they will keep things from misfolding or misaligning. When that happens, when something misfolds or misaligns when it's under stress, you're going to end up with oxidative damage. You can end up with inflammation, and we know that these are two of the pillars of disease within the body. So it will work as a chaperone to prevent that misfolding. The other thing that heat shock proteins do is it helps to repair DNA. So this is the most important part of a cell. It is what tells the cell what it's going to be. If the DNA is damaged, then what happens is you end up with a cancer cell. So heat shock proteins help with this. Heat shock proteins will also help with anti-aging. So it's going to help rejuvenate the collagen, elastin, fibrin, all of these wonderful things within the skin to make the skin better. Heat shock proteins will also help with apoptosis, which is cell death. So every cell has a designated lifespan. However, when the body is under stress and you have catabolic physiology, one of the third components to disease, then what will happen is these cells will die quicker. And so even good healthy cells end up dying out. So with heat shock proteins, these help to reduce that catabolic stress or apoptosis. Now, the final thing that is important to remember with heat shock proteins is you don't have to run a fever to get heat shock proteins released within the body. There are a couple ways that you can do this at home or at a health spa. So one way is sauna. So sitting in a sauna for about 30 minutes, raising that core temperature up will help your body to release these heat shock proteins. Bonus points is if you can do a cold plunge or allow cold water to hit your adrenals for just a few moments right after sauna. Another way that you can get your body to release these heat shock proteins to prevent oxidative damage, inflammation, and catabolic physiology is by taking a hot Epsom salt bath. Now, mind your manners, and if something is wrong, like you have diabetes or open sores, obviously we do not want you to take an Epsom salt bath, but Epsom salt baths can help to raise that core body temperature. The other thing that you can do is exercise. Doing about 45 minutes of exercise can help your body release these heat shock proteins and help you to live healthier, longer, and happier. If you have any questions, please give us a call.